If you are looking for a regular means of income, then you can consider investing in mutual fund. In this video, I will take you through the process of how you can earn regular income by investing in mutual funds. Once again, you are welcome to Money Stream. So today, I'm going to be using AfriInvest. AfriInvest is one of the major investment companies that help individuals and also corporate bodies to manage their funds, and they are registered with SEC. That simply means they have the government's approval. And AfriInvest, they use Pluto's new, that is the present investment platform they are using presently. So the first thing that you need to do is to register and open a brokerage account. And if you do that, you can start investing immediately. So for those of you who are just coming across my channel, I have done tutorials on that. So you can check it out on this video. Meanwhile, before the end of this video, I will take you through the registration process. That is how to open a brokerage account and the requirements. So without wasting much of your time, let's go directly to how you can earn regular income from mutual fund investment. After opening the account, the next thing you will do is to fund the account. And this is where you are going to get the account number. So when you log in, just by your right hand side, you see where that rectangle is, where the image of someone is there. You click on it and it will bring you to this page. So you see my account number. That is where you will get your own account number on the platform. So that is the account you are going to be funding. And you can fund the account by using your card or by transfer. You can use USSD, you can use your app to do the transfer, whichever one you desire. So after that, you are going to click on wallet. That is the next item there by your right hand side. So when you click on it, it will now bring you to this particular page here. So you can see save, you can see invest. So you are going to pick save, because I'm going to be explaining to you how you can save and earn money regularly. So that is the one we are going to be doing today. On my upcoming video, I'm going to be showing you how you can also invest and earn money. So this particular one, we are going to be looking at how you can save and earn money from your savings regularly. So that is what we are going to be doing now. So just below the save icon there are lists of savings plan that you can make choice from. We have the OptiFlex. In this particular one, you can earn up to 13% per annum. Now the next one is OptiLock. OptiLock, you can save and earn a competitive returns of up to 20% per annum. You can decide to save even less than a year and you will still get your interest, but you will not get up to the 20%. That is for the OptiLock. The third one is the OptiTarget, and this one you are going to earn up to 15% per annum. This particular saving plan, it will enable you to set a financial goal for yourself, and it will also help you to achieve it. So I'm going to be showing you how it works. This is the particular one I will be explaining to you in details. So if you want me to also explain the other ones, let me know on the comment section. So, and the interesting thing about this, you can make your savings in Naira, you can make your savings in dollar. Whichever one you want, you can do it. And this particular saving plan can help you to pay your rent because of how regular the money will come. You can decide to set a target and say, oh, in the next 12 months, I want to get 1 million naira. And they will put down a plan for you on how you can be saving it either weekly or monthly to achieve that particular goal that you set for yourself. So it is something that you can do to help you pay your rent, to also help you pay your children's school fees and any other targets that you have for yourself, especially now that we are starting the new year. So what you need to do here is to click on OptiTarget. That is if it is this particular one you want to go into. If it is the OptiLock, you click on OptiLock. So you just click on the saving plan that you want to go into. After clicking on the OptiTarget, it will now bring you to this page. So what you will do is to click on create a target. You see it below the screen there. You click on create a target. So after clicking on create a target, this page will appear. So you will now give a name to your plan. Is it for rent? You can just write rent. Is it for investment? Is it for business? Is it for school fees? Whatever plan you have in mind, you can just give your own personal name to that saving plan. So that is what you will do there, and you click on continue. So after that, you'll be asked to enter the entire sum that you aim to save by the end of your target. Let's assume that your target is 1 million naira. At the end of the period, you just enter the amount of money that you have in mind that you need to pay your rent or that you need to pay your school fees. So you just write the total amount there. You enter it. These are the numbers. You just enter the amount. If it is 60,000, you enter 60,000. So I'm going to be using 60,000. I'm going to be using 10,000 to explain it to you. So this is the case of 60,000 naira. So when you input 60,000 naira as your target, then this will appear. The date that you are starting will appear, like in this case, 13th January 2026. The end date, that is if you are targeting it for 90 days. That means the period that you want to get that money is in 90 days. You see the date, that is the expiry date, which is 13th April 2026. The frequency there is every day. That means you will need to be saving a daily contribution of 666 naira 67 kobo. So that means you'll be saving this amount of money every day for you to achieve this 60,000 naira in 90 days. That is what it means. So you can also decide to change the frequency. If you don't want to be saving it daily, maybe you want to be saving it weekly, you can also change. You see an arrow by the side. That every day, you just click on that arrow. You can change it to weekly, depending on how comfortable or convenient it is to you. So you can make your choice. And the amount will definitely change that you need to be paying weekly. This is just for daily contribution. And you're going to make the choice of the funding source. So is it through your card? Is it through transfer? Whichever way you want to fund the wallet, you can go ahead and fund it. So this is also another instance for 10,000. The previous one is that of 60,000. So this is another one for 10,000. The same 90 days, everyday contribution, and the amount here is 111,011 kobo. So the same thing applies. The only thing is that the amount differ. So whatever amount is your target, that is the total amount you're going to enter there. Let me know on the comment section if you have any question or you need more clarity. Also, at the point of making your entry, that is the amount you want to invest, the amount you want to save, you will also be asked if the target challenge is for your own personal purpose or is for a private group, because there are people that maybe they have like an association, they have like friends, maybe 5 or 10 of them that want to achieve a particular target. From this part of the world, I might want to buy cattle at the end of the year for Christmas, so they start saving from this period. So such kind of saving plan is good, so you can consider this. There's a link that has been pinned on the comment section. So for those of you who are interested, who are willing to start investing immediately, you can go ahead and click the link and start investing. And if you need more clarity or you have any question, please go ahead and let me know on the comment section. So now I'll be taking you through the registration process and how to open the brokerage account. That is for those of you who are new here or who do not know how to open a brokerage account. I'll take you through the process now. Page, you will need to get an active email and your active phone number and a password to sign up. So having done that, you can also see the referral code, and this is my own referral code. So you can input this my referral code there. If you use this referral code, both of us are going to get a gift from the stockbroker, that is the Afri Invest. So after signing up, this page will appear. These are the documents that will be required for the registration process. The first one is your BVN. Your BVN will need to be verified. So you'll be asked to provide your BVN. And it must tally with your BVN that is in the bank. You must ensure you enter the correct BVN because it will be verified. An OTP will be sent to you to confirm your BVN. Then the next one is your identity. Your picture will be taken. Your photograph will be taken. And also you will need to snap your national ID card or your driver's license or international passport for verification. That is for the aspect of your identity. Then for the identity documents, that is for the national ID card, international passport or driver's license. So those are the documents. Any one of them, you can provide it as your identity document. But it must be a document that is nationally recognized. Then the next one is your address. Your address will be taken from your utility bill. So you are going to be providing your utility bill for at least the last 3 months. So that is where they are going to be getting your address, your residential address. So the next one is your income profile. In this case, the information that will be required under the income profile is for them to know what is your status. Are you a student? Or are you a salary earner, or are you a businessman? They only want to know your status. They want to know your means of income. So that is just it about the income profile. So the next on the list is the next of kin. So you need to provide the information of your next of kin, like the name of your next of kin, the address of your next of kin, and the relationship between you and your next of kin. Is it your brother, or is she your sister, or your spouse, or your parents? You're going to be indicating your relationship with your next of kin. So that is it about the next of kin. So that will now take us to the last on the list, which is add a bank account. The bank account is very necessary. It is only on this ground that you can fund your account on the platform, on this Afri Invest, that is the Optimus investment platform. It is only on that ground you can fund it, and at the same time you can withdraw your dividend when it is being paid. So if you do not add your bank account, you can't do these two things I've just said. You will have to add your bank account. It is very necessary. And I'll take you through the process on how you can add your bank account and other things that you need to do. If you have any questions so far, please let me know on the comment section. Do not forget to give a like to this video if you are getting value from it, and subscribe so that you can get updated whenever I upload any new content. Thank you for your lovely time. So this is how you will add your bank account number or your bank details. If you look at the screen, look at the second item there. After statements and reports, the second one there is bank and cards. So you just click on it. So the moment you click on it, another page will appear. That is where you enter the name of your bank and your account number. So when you do that, an OTP will also be sent to you for verification. So it is only on that ground that you can access your funds from the platform, that is from the Optimus platform. And also you can fund your wallet when you want to make investments. Now the next thing is for you to fund your wallet and start investing. So when you look at the top, you see my account number written there. So those digits, those 10-digit number is my own personal account number for my own investment platform. That is for the Optimus. That is my own account number. So when you check on your own platform, haven't done the registration process, you are going to be seeing your own account number also on that same position. So when you want to fund your wallet on your own account, that is on your own bank account, you are going to be sending the amount you want to invest to that particular account number. So that is your own account number on the Optimus platform. I hope it's clear. We have come to the end of today's content. Thank you for spending time here with me. And do not forget to give a like to this content if you have gotten value from it. Subscribe and drop your question. If you need more clarity, let me know. Thank you so much and do have a lovely day.